Welcome to SoftEdge Academy, where we make technology simple and exciting. Today, we're breaking down one of the biggest tech confusions. What's the real difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning? Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is any machine or software that can think, reason, or solve problems like a human. It's a broad term, from a chess-playing computer to smart assistants like Siri or Alexa. If a machine shows intelligence, it's AI. Simple as that. Now, machine learning is a type of AI, but it's more specific. Instead of being programmed to do a task, machines learn from data and get better over time. Imagine a spam filter that gets smarter with every email it processes, or Netflix recommending shows you'll probably love based on what you've watched. That's machine learning at work. And then comes deep learning, a special part of machine learning. It's inspired by how the human brain works, using something called neural networks. Deep learning powers things like self-driving cars, voice assistants, and even facial recognition. It's the most complex, but also the most powerful. So, think of it like this. AI is the big idea. Machine learning is a branch of AI. Deep learning is a deeper branch of machine learning. Each one is smarter and more focused. Now you can finally explain the difference like a pro. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe to SoftEdge Academy for more easy tech explainers. See you in the next video.